A road crew repairs 5/12 of a mile of road each day. How long will it take the crew to repair a 2.5 mile section of road? So it seems like this is similar to a number of problems that we've discussed earlier, in which we're taking one big amount, in this case the 2.5 miles, and dividing it up into smaller amounts. In this case, the 5/12 of a mile each day. So we could visualize this as, let's say this is the stretch of road that's 2.5 miles. And what we're doing is saying, well, how many of these 5/12 are there in the 2.5 miles? Okay, so anytime we're taking one big amount and splitting it up into equally sized smaller amounts, we need to divide. Okay, so now that we know what to do, we want to divide the 2.5 miles and divide it or split it up into smaller pieces that are 5/12 of a mile. So we want to do 2.5 divided by 5/12. Now, anytime we're doing a mathematical operation with a mixed number, generally you always want to convert that mixed number to a fraction. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So that mixed number 2.5 would be 5/2. And we're going to divide that by 5/12. Now, the way we divide fractions is to convert that to multiplication. So we say, normally, we think about this as multiplying by the reciprocal, or you could think about it in terms of stay, change, flip. Okay, so the first fraction stays, it's 5/2. We change the division to multiplication, and we flip the second fraction. So that will be 12/5. Okay, so now that we have rewritten the division as multiplication, to multiply two fractions together, we multiply top times top, bottom times bottom. And so 5 times 12 is 60 on top. 2 times 5 is 10 on the bottom. And the fraction 60/10 means 60 divided by 10, which would be 6. And so how long will it take? It will take 6 days to complete that section of road. Okay, and that should do it for this problem.